Hey, what's up, U.S. History peeps? It's Mr. McGrill. Just wanting to remind you that I am out of the office this week for state testing, so unfortunately we won't have any live class this week, but I did want to show you what you guys will be working on through the week. As you go to the modules page, you want to scroll down to the week 15 materials, and you'll see that Mr. McGrill has broken it up into daily work for you. So each day is clearly labeled what you should be working on. You can see day number 1, which is Monday, December 5th. You should be using the Unit 4 study guide to prepare for the Unit 4 test. Now, this Unit 4 study guide looks like this, and I just want to draw your attention to these two linked resources on the Unit 4 study guide. See how you can click on these two links here. One gives you additional notes, and the other will help you by showing you review slides that will help you on many of these questions that are on the Unit 4 test, which you guys will be completing this week. So please make sure that you make the most of these resources on this Unit 4 study guide, again, under day 1 of week 15. You can begin the Unit 4 test on Monday if you'd like, or you can take it on Tuesday if that is your preference. Then you can see on Wednesday, you're going to begin working on Unit 5, Lesson 9, The Roaring Twenties. You can click on this link here to check out the Lesson 9 agenda and the resources that you guys can use throughout Unit 5, throughout Lesson 9 here. We have these 2 assignments on Wednesday. Let's see, on Thursday, we've got 2 more for you guys to work on, and on Friday, 2 more. And between all of these things, that should help you get the amount of time that you need for attendance each day. So that is it in a nutshell. Have a great week, everybody, and I'll be in touch with you soon.